Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my garden. I'm just from inspecting the garden and removing the frost protection covers that I applied to some of my tropical plants before the snowstorm that we had in Texas a couple of days ago. It is nice and warm today. I think it's about 54 degrees right now. It's midday on Friday, January the 24th. The snow has thawed, and so I came out here to check on the plants that I covered and also share with you what became of them. If you can remember, I covered up my papaya tree, my tree tomatoes, the fluted pumpkin, and also the nkwi plant. So let's find out if the measures that I applied panned out. Also, I have some super exciting updates to share with you about the spinach, the broccoli, the onions, and the carrots. Something that is really putting a big smile on my face. Yes, it's good news. If you'd like to see if my papaya tree, my tree tomatoes, my nkwi, and my fluted pumpkin vine survived the Texas snowstorm, and the good news I have to share about the spinach, then stay tuned. Let's get started. Greetings, tribe. It's about midday. Um, Today is January the 23rd, and the temperature right now it's around 50 degrees. The ice is melting, but we still have some on the ground. And I'm heading to the garden to just see what has happened since yesterday. So let's go find out. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, my people. Look at this. The spinach bounced back after being covered in ice, in snow for more than 24 hours. The spinach bounced back. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It survived the snow. This is nothing short of a miracle, honestly. I did not expect this. I did not expect this at all. We have, look, spinach. Our spinach is back. Our spinach is back. And it looks like the onions might have survived as well. The onions might have survived all of that ice as well. I'm not holding my breath yet. It looks limp. It looks like it still has some life. Yeah. One of the tribe members told me to just stay put and not rush to uproot the onions yet, that they usually bounce back. So I would do just that. I would just leave the onions alone. But from all indications, nothing happened to the spinach. Isn't this just wonderful? Let's check on the carrots. The carrots were a lot younger. It looks like the carrots survived too. I cannot believe this. I can't believe this. I am beyond amazed. I am beyond excited. I'm beyond happy. My spinach made it. It looks like the onions as well, and it looks like the carrots as well. Temperatures are still gonna go down to like 30 degrees tonight or by tomorrow morning. So I will wait until we're out of we're in the clear before I unveil my tropical plants, my papaya, the fluted pumpkin, the tree tomatoes, and the nkwi. Those are the ones I covered. So I'm gonna wait until it's safe, which, and by safe I just mean temperatures rise to a low of above 32 degrees to open those. Let's go check on the broccoli. Okay, let's go take a look at the broccoli. As you can see, The snow has mostly melted. We still have some on the grass, some on the bed over there. And it looks like the broccoli survived as well. I don't know. Let's take a look. Some of them look like really limp, as you can see. But yeah, it looks alive. It looks alive. This is very encouraging. This is very, very encouraging. I'm pleased. I'm very pleased. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Yaje here in the garden to unveil the tropical plants that I covered because of the bad weather that we had, the snowstorm that we had. As you can see, we finally have sun. The snow has finally thawed, and it's time to open up the plants that I covered and check on them. So let's find out if the measures that I used were effective. Come along with me. Let's start with this one. These are the tree tomatoes. There were two of them. Let's find out if the blankets, the trash bags, and whatnot, if it worked. Oh my gosh. No! It didn't work. The leaves are all gone. I don't know if the stem survived, but no, it did not work. Okay, tribe, this is what we're looking at. The leaves are all gone, as you can see. Yeah, the leaves are all gone. My only hope is that maybe part of the stem is alive and it can regrow. That's my hope. See this? So I'm hoping that that part right there, it still looks alive. And if I can prune this, maybe it can regrow. So I'm going to go ahead and prune it somewhere around there and hope that, you know, the roots stayed alive. Now let's unveil the papaya tree. As you can see, I covered it with so many layers of stuff. There's a sleeping bag, and then the white material, the white fabric, which is meant for frost protection. So let's unveil this one and see if we have better luck. I'm quite nervous for this one. I'm quite nervous. Oh my gosh, it is cooked and fried. Yeah. This is what is left of the papaya tree. I don't know if I should have hope or not. And the reason why I want to have hope is because it looks like the trunk. It looks like this is not quite dead yet. I don't know. I don't know. I'm going to just leave it alone and see what becomes of it. It looks like this was protected, this part. It looks like this was protected. Hopefully it recovers. Yeah. And over here I covered up the nkwi. I pruned it before covering it. Okay, it's not bad. There's some hope here. There's some hope. There is some hope with the nkwi. Yeah, it looks like this one made it. Yeah, it looks like it made it. That's good. That's encouraging. I'm going to go ahead and cover up the roots some more and add more mulch on it. That's encouraging. And then over here, I covered up the last fluted pumpkin vine that I had, or the roots. Let's find out if this worked. Given that the nkwi worked, I am expecting that this also worked as well. Is that? Ooh, I put bed sheets instead of a blanket. God. Yeah, here it is. That's the fluted pumpkin vine. I was trying to cover. Oh, this is potato. This is what I was trying to protect. This one. I don't know. I'm gonna just leave it alone and hope that that was enough. So this one. So yeah, tribe, that's the update from the garden. I have some good news and some not so good news. Yeah, I'm still holding on to hope that this tree, the tree tomato, is gonna pick up after I prune it and then spring gets here. My papaya tree over there also looks alive at the bottom, but if not, it's okay. I actually already have some papaya seeds that I have nursed indoors, and this particular papaya seed is one that is cold hardy, I was told. So I'm trying it out again. I'm gonna keep trying until I one day succeed in growing these tropical trees out here in the diaspora. As far as the nkwi, I think I shouldn't worry about that one. I think the nkwi is okay. The fluted pumpkin root, maybe not, but I can always get seeds and start afresh. The thing that really has me smiling, my spinach. The spinach made it, and so I'm happy. The onions, it looks like it's gonna recover fully, and so I'm happy. That's gardening for you. It is not easy, but it gives you hope. So I'm hoping that it all pans out. I hope your gardens also survive this. And if not, please do not give up. Continue to grow a garden because you know when you grow a garden, you grow health. Like, share, and subscribe. Until next time. Bye.